Hi guys, this is Saddam Hussain and welcome to my channel A2Z English Skills. So we are moving ahead to the last tense. This tense is, you must know, this tense is future perfect continuous tense. In this future perfect continuous tense, I'm going to describe helping verbs, formula, definition and examples of future perfect continuous tense. So without getting late, let's get started. It indicates an action that will continue up to a point in the future. Its helping verb is will have been. Plus, its structure is subject plus helping verb plus ing form of verb plus object plus since or for plus time. For the negative, its structure is subject plus will plus not plus have been plus ing form of verb plus object plus since or for plus time. The formula in interrogative is will plus subject plus have been plus ing form of verb plus object plus since or for plus time. Where to use since, where to use for, I already described in past perfect continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. If you don't know where to use since and where to use for, you need to watch those videos. So I will be giving you links of those videos as well. For now, let's go to the examples of future perfect continuous tense. Example is, I'll have been working in your company since next year. At 2 o'clock, I'll have been waiting for you for 20 minutes. Rebecca won't have been living in Australia for several years after completing her degree. That's all about future perfect continuous tense. So stay tuned with my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.